national natin should be considered the president
Opening?
for the opening.
Yeah, siguro we'll refer it to the PSC, kung ano yung guidance. But we will definitely support and do everything that we can to ensure that yung magiging guest of honor sa Batang Pinoy Bacolod will be given all the necessary accommodation and due by the guest speaker. So we'll refer it to the Batang Pinoy, the PSC.
Okay, for the last question, President Francis.
I'll just pick up, Chairman, dun sa question about the grassroots because you've been focusing on CPRs a lot. We know that, actually surprise mo, pangalawang Batang Pinoy lang to sa Bacolod. Bacolod has been hosting several sports events already. How do you translate this pagiging hub ng Bacolod into more CPRs around? And how can the local governments help? Kasi Department of Education, local government, syempre may mga offices yan. It's something that the PSC doesn't have. So how can you help is to ensure na ma-enforce yung CPRs that the PSC has been trying to put up?
Thank you very much. Totoo yun. Ang PSC ho kasi for the last 36 years, pag sinabi mo PSC Rizal, PSC Rizal, PSC Field Sports, PSC Baguio lamang. Pero ngayon po, with the regional training centers, we signed memorandum of agreements. We signed an agreement with the LGU para maging regional training center siya. Because once they become a regional training center, PSC starts supporting them. Yung national agency ng PSC can now support the LGU in their programs. As a matter of fact, we encourage all NSAs, lalo na yung mga foreign coaches nila, pumunta na kayo rin sa mga regional training centers natin. Yung si Coach Ryu po ng Korea, every other month, nandun na sa Kandon. Nandun na yung grassroots niya. Sige ko lang bago ko makalimutan. July 2 po, believe it or not, July 2, Sports Summit in Kawayan, Isabela. By July 2, Kawayan, the Cagayan River, the very big, very long, very wide Cagayan River will now become a regional training center for rowing. Nandun na, dinadala na lahat ng boats doon. Kasi katabi ng ilog, nandun pa rin nakatira yung, I'm sure kilala niyo siya, si Joe Rodriguez, 6-time gold medalist in rowing. Nandun na siya, naghihintay na siya. So, very important po yung ano namin, yung collaboration with DILG and DepEd. Kasi wala pa talagang administration or office or operations people ang PSC in all of these provinces. So, if we can only fast track this kung meron kaming partnership with DepEd and DILG. As a matter of fact, President Francis, isa sa pipirmahan namin MOA in the next couple of weeks is with the National Youth Commission as well. Kasi si National Youth Commission is now under the office of Secretary John Vic Rimulya. I was talking to him yesterday and he said, go sign a deal with Chairman Jeff Ortega because we want to have sports programs and sports initiatives in the ILG through the National Youth Commission. So gagawin po talaga natin yun.
Okay, so thank you so much.